Olaf, man, you are something else. Luckily, okay, personal space. Yep, 6 feet. Come on, personal space. All right. Luckily, we put one of these nets on before, so it shouldn't be too bad. And yeah, all right, all right. You are trying to like climb into my mouth, which is gross. Oh my God, Olaf. Yeah. Okay, we good? What are you doing, ducks? All right, welcome back to the Whitehouse farm. What we're doing today is we're taking down the old broken netting for the trampoline and we're gonna put up a new one. As long as Olaf doesn't eat it all.
He ate it last time. He ate
it's
the whole
so delicious though.
He ate the whole sponge
What?
right there.
No, this foam is delicious. No. All right, that's enough. Don't eat any more, Olaf. Come on. Here, Olaf. All right, so we got the new one in here. Olaf can do it too. Here, come on, open the box. Whoa. What do you got there, Major? A stapler? I'll eat that too. Staplers are delicious.
I'll go get a...
Here, Olaf, finish opening this. I want to eat the stapler.
You can't, Elbow.
Why do you have a stapler anyways, huh? He's gonna eat it.
I don't know.
What?
Major's using it to pick up snow and eat it.
All right. So I got the directions right here. Oh man, Olaf, those are the directions. I need them.
No. Oh yeah, they are.
Okay, so we don't have directions anymore, but we put one on before, so we'll be able to do it again this time. Got it?
Wait, do you need it? Because what if you don't know when it's wrong?
All right, we gotta take off the old one.
Yep. Can I help?
Yep.
I'll eat the foam. I call eating foam.
Okay, out with the old, in with the new. Right, Major? I'll eat the box now. I'm sure you will, Olaf. Okay. So that just slips over there. Okay, so we got it started on all the poles. Because if you slide it down all the way on the one, like we were first gonna do, you won't be able to stretch it over all the other ones. So that's how you gotta start it. It'd be good if we had directions, but I think Olaf ate them. All right, so we got those all on. Now we just gotta go around and start clipping them. Be able to see. Yep, they just clip on just like that. Olaf, when you're done eating the tree, you could try the trampoline.
Yeah, I'm gonna try it later when the kids aren't in it, because then I got more room to bounce. Besides, this tree is so delicious. Look at, yum, yum, yum. So good. What, don't judge. All right, I'll see you guys in a little bit.
All right, Olaf, I'm gonna go finish filming, having the kids jump around. Are you sure you don't want to go on? Last time.
Yeah, I'm kind of hungry. I'm just gonna eat this tree for now. I'll go on later.
All right, buddy. And that's why we got the net, so they don't go flying out of it.
That's why we have the net.
All right, we're gonna do super jump cam.
Okay, I got this. I do this all the time. Jamie, watch out! Oh, that must be cool with it. So high.
All right, so we guys hope you like, subscribe, share,
yes.
hit that notification bell,
Share, ding.
and we'll see you on the next one, all right?
100 subscribers.
You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me.
All right, Olaf, we'll see you on the next one. All right, bye, Obo.
Hi, guys.